In this problem, you've been asked for the location of maximums, minimums, and points of inflection. So our definitions come in handy. The derivative is changing from positive to negative at x equals 3. Then I have several bounces where the derivative equals 0 but does not change signs. Those bounces are not maxes or mins, so we only have a max. At x equals 3, there are no mins. So we're looking for a max or min for a point of inflection. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I just have to figure out about what those x coordinates are. For sure I have 1 at negative 3. This one looks like it's at negative 2. 1 at 0. And one between 1 and 2, we'll call it 1.5. So there were 4 points of inflection, 1 max, and no mins.